Hey friends, it's Jen from Gold Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the January edition of the Jane's Agenda Monthly Cover Club. So if that sounds good to you, then just keep watching. So I know that I'm really late on this one, but I did poll you guys in my community tab, and at least some of you said you would still like to see the January edition of the Jane's Agenda Monthly Cover Club. So here we are. If you're not familiar, Jane's Agenda is a planner company. They sell inserts, covers, dashboards, dividers, pens, all kinds of awesome planner stuff, mainly focusing on disc-bound and ring planners. Jane's Agenda also has a number of subscriptions to which you can subscribe on a monthly basis. And the monthly cover club is one version. You get laminated covers if you're in discs, or laminated dashboards if you're in rings, 2 cardstock dashboards, a Pagefinder, and the tour card, which also doubles as a journaling card. So I get my subscription in the junior disc-bound size. I have a half-letter planner, but Jane's Agenda does refer to that as junior, as do some other companies. And so that is what I'm going to show you today. I'll also mention that I am a Jane's Agenda affiliate, so I will put my affiliate link down in the description box. And if you are making your first purchase with Jane's Agenda, you can save 15% with that link or with the code GOAL15. But do know that the sub boxes are excluded from that discount. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here is the tour card. They're always very pretty, and I pretty much always put them in my agenda cover if I'm using one, which I have been lately, or inside my vegan leather cover from Jane's Agenda, which I absolutely love. This one says, "Edit your life frequently and ruthlessly. It is your masterpiece after all, Nathan M. Morris." Then it usually will have the month, the year, and then on the other side tells you everything that is included. So I always look at this as an additional item in your subscription because it will always match or belong to the theme of that month and often looks very pretty alongside the dashboards that you get. I didn't really mention the other subscription box versions. You can get the lifestyle subscription box, which usually includes different dashboards than the one you get in the monthly cover club, inserts, usually some kind of lifestyle items. And then the other option is to get the deluxe box, which includes everything from the monthly cover club and the lifestyle. I will tell you, this is my last month, at least for now, receiving the monthly cover club because I finally decided to upgrade to the deluxe. Now, I have been saying all along that I wasn't upgrading because I've been on a budgeting journey, and I will tell you that budgeting journey is not over. But I felt like it was something that was doable for me right now, so that's what I'm gonna do. So that video will be coming quite soon. If that interests you, then maybe you would consider subscribing, hitting the bell notification, and you will be notified when that video goes up. If you end up just simply enjoying this video, I would appreciate it so much if you would like the video. It really helps me out and allows more people to see the video. So thank you for doing that. I always appreciate it. Let's start with the dashboards. These are stunning. So they are double-sided. Now, sometimes with her dashboards, they are the same on each side, but it seems to me from what I've been seeing with the monthly cover club, you get one design on one side and a different design on the other side, which is really cool because it gives you some versatility. So this is just beautiful. It's like kind of a abstract type of floral. I am no art aficionado, so I'm not sure what you exactly would call this, but I call it beautiful. And then the other side is some kind of abstract, maybe like paint swirls. I think it makes a really pretty inside cover. If you know me, if you've been hanging around for a while, I've got a floral loving heart. And so, yeah, this is really, really pretty. Okay. Let's look at the covers. Here is our cover. The best is yet to come. It is really pretty. So there's like some gold speckling. The words are also, the best is yet to come. It's in a gold, but kind of seems to me like a gold glitter outline. It's really pretty. It's the same on both sides. And I love Jane's Agenda dashboards and covers. They are beautiful and they are high quality. And then we have the Pagefinder. So it is a turquoise to match the florals on the dashboard. And it says, "Elegance is the only beauty that never fades, Audrey Hepburn." Really pretty. So now what I always like to do, and will do right now, is just to pop these onto my planner so you can see what it looks like on the discs. So I'm going to grab my planner and I will be right back. So here's my half letter planner. This set was from the November edition of the monthly cover club. And what I'll also mention is that generally speaking, the items that you get in the subscription boxes are only available in the subscription boxes. Now, occasionally she adds one item or a couple items from a box into the shop. For instance, this dashboard set, at least definitely this dashboard was in the lifestyle and deluxe boxes, I believe in the same month in November, but I wasn't subscribed. I didn't get it. I was really sad because I really loved it, but they came into the shop and I picked them up during the Black Friday sale. So, you know, some things will go to the shop, but a lot of them aren't. And certainly I'd say ups the value of the box in that you're getting something that is very limited edition most of the time. So unfortunately, I have black discs on. It's so funny because I'm not someone who usually uses black discs. I tend towards gold discs a lot of the time, or rose gold. And I would say this set we're going to look at would look great on gold discs, but we're going to go with it just so we can check it out. All right, so let's pop a dashboard on. Oh, it's not bad with the black though. No, it's pretty with the black, but I do think gold would be really pretty. Now let's put a cover on. Oh, that's really pretty. You see that? I know that it glares a lot with my lights, but oh, that is so pretty. Now, the only reason I'm not using this right now is because when I saw that November box, I knew I wanted that to be my January setup. And I kind of went back and forth when I'd seen pictures of this, but ultimately I wanted to use the setup I'm using, but I will definitely be using this down the line at some point. Let's look at the Pagefinder. I'll put it over here. So I know it's really hard to see. You probably can see my top tabs sticking up, which go up higher, but here it is. Here's one here that I'm using. That was from the October subscription. So they are nice. And then let's look at the dashboard the other way and just kind of get a glimpse of that. Pretty too. I like the flowers better, but pretty too. That is the January edition of the monthly cover club. I am really looking forward to receiving the February deluxe box, and I will absolutely be sharing that with you. So comment below, let me know what you think. I love to talk planners and I love to talk to you, and I really do my best to answer all the comments. So I'd love it if you would comment and say hello. And that is going to do it for this one, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.